everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. I am trying very hard to get to 1,100 subscribers by the end of this year. So it's a push. And I really appreciate it if you were to hit the like button as well if you enjoyed the video. So I'm going to start a new hashtag which was inspired by my friend Gina from Perfectly Imperfect Junk Journal. She said, why don't you do a once a month finger painting video? And I thought, oh my gosh, yes. Why didn't I think of that? That's why I have fantastic friends like Gina to throw these ideas at me, and I loved it. So Gina, thank you so much. So this is my very first hashtag fingerpaint whimsy, and so I'd like to invite you guys along to either copy what I did or to come up with the same design, but maybe instead of, I made a tag, but maybe instead of doing a tag, you might want to do a card topper, or you might just want to do a little sort of affirmation card, or use finger painting to alter a trading card, or anything. Honestly guys, anything would be absolutely fine as long as you are finger painting. And so what I've done is I've decided that I'm going to give myself it's finger painting and one other thing, and the other thing is probably typically going to be a kind of paint pen, because I can't do lines like this with my fingers. I've got tiny little pinky, but it's not going to be tiny enough to do little lines like this, or little dots for eyes and smiles and stuff like this. So if you want to stick around for a couple of minutes, I will show you how I painted this. I don't talk through those painting sessions. I am just going to finish off giving this tag, when I find the middle, a bit of a, just there you go. So that is my finger painted goldfish. So stick around for a couple of minutes and you'll see how I did this and the colors that I used. And please join in and then tag the me at A Crafter's Story, and also hashtag finger painting whimsy. And that way I will know that you've joined this, I'm going to call it an invitation. And let's see what we can create just with our fingers. And it's so easy and so fun and so messy, which is part of the fun. I forgot to mention, I'm going to upload once a month on the last Wednesday of every month. And it doesn't have to be the last Wednesday of every month if you can't make that day, because I know we all have schedules that, take us elsewhere. But for me, it'll be the last Wednesday of every month. So if you want to stick to that date as well, if possible, then we can all kind of come and look at what each of us has done on that day with our finger painting. And I will put up a theme. So maybe this time the theme is just orange, or maybe it's goldfish, or maybe it's doesn't have to be a goldfish, maybe it's a purple fish or pink fish. It doesn't, it's just a suggestion. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to show you how I painted these two little guys.